Today I'll be cleaning urine off of concrete. This is sodium percarbonate I used in one of my old jars. If you look in there, you'll see it's a little coarser material than the regular. I could have used the Dragonfire. It has sodium percarbonate in there. But I wanted to use just straight sodium percarbonate, which is basically hydrogen peroxide. I put a few scoops in here, about 4 ounces to maybe about 3/4 of a gallon of hot water. That probably makes it about a 12% peroxide. Most of you carpet guys are used to 20 volume, which is a 6%. So this is double that strength. And I've got my Auric Orbiter. I've got a Neptune planetary pad to scrub and a large 17-inch white polar pad. They're already down here. And what happened was they think vagrants came through. This unit was vacant for a while. I've got actually 4 of these units today to do, and it seems like maybe the vagrants came in and decided to camp out in the laundry rooms that's on the back side of the garage here. And they urinated. You can smell them. It seems like they all 4 units, they urinated in the same area along this back wall, which I'll show you here in a moment. The sodium percarbonate will bubble up real good if there's urine. You know how hydrogen peroxide reacts to urine. So I'll spray it down real quick and then we'll scrub it up. Hang tight. Okay, you can see it all foamed up there, which means they did pee along that wall. And I actually think that the pee went under the floorboard and might have crawled up into the drywall. Look at that. So I'll show you what I'm going to do once I'm done scrubbing this up. Okay, I'm going to get the polar pad. It's got a huge sponge in between. It'll absorb all this water, no problem. Okay, time to flip the pad. Look at that. People say, where does the dirt go? Right into the pad. Okay, I'm going to pack this equipment up, and I've got the odor death there, stabilized ClO2, and I'm going to use that and just soak down the lower level. I'll probably use about 24 ounces into maybe half a gallon of water. I want it real heavy. I'm not going to show the spraying. I'll just show after I spray it so I can use two hands. There you go. And I did spray real heavy under that wallboard. And I let my customer know that I'm doing that. I said that's the only way. If I get the same amount of liquid as there was urine, hopefully it crawls up the drywall the same distance and destroys all the odors. But as far as I can tell, odor's gone. And that's how you eliminate urine from concrete. I look forward to seeing y'all in my next job.